I am Cedric Cabral.
Hi, this is Crystal Polly.
Hi, I am Aliyah Pamittan.
Hi, I am Rizal Izal Pasco
Hi, I'm Danmer Pasicolan.
Hi, I'm Maria Erica Cursi Perez
from BSMLS2C.
From BSMLS2C.
from BSMLS2C.
From BSMLS2C.
From BSMLS2C.
From BSMLS2C.
And this is our experiment.
A few inches later.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Biochemistry at Home with Group 8, where we try to do experiments using materials you can find at your house. So, if hindi pa obvious kung ano ang theme ng experiment ngayon, it's about water. Tubig. Ganun. Ug-ug. H2O. Yes, so kahit anong itawag mo, parehas lang yung chemical composition niya. Kapareho nung water nung nasa beach ako. Galing ako sa beach. Di ba nakita nyo kanina?
Hindi totoo yan.
So, sa dami ng pinacheck namin sa aming beloved teacher, ang mapalad na na-approve ay ang GoUnliH2O. So, sa experiment na to, we are going to build the NonStop Helios fountain.
It's time to stop!
NonStop. GoUnli. Alam niyo na yan. What is the NonStop Helios fountain? Helios fountain is a hydraulic machine that demonstrates the principles of hydraulics and pneumatics. Flow of water from high gravitational potential energy to low gravitational potential energy causes the fountain to form due to the increasing pressure on the inside of the system. It was invented by the 1st century AD inventor Hieron, or Hero of Alexandria. But what is the connection of this invention to the properties of water? Water has many peculiar properties like surface tension, density, and many more. But the property we chose to illustrate today is capillary action. Capillary action, in simple terms, is when a liquid is able to flow through restricted space without being assisted by gravity. Capillary action makes the fountain work with the help of fluid pressure, which can be demonstrated by the invention. So okay, alam niyo na, kaya let's go get the material.
Nasa Hawaii tayo, so
dito tayo maghahanap ng household materials kasi household, may beach house kami dito.
So, ang first na material na gagamitin are fresh water bottle. Buhay pa to. Ito. Ang next ay
Dito tayo kukuha ng
mga fresh na stick glue. So, ang gagawin lang natin is pipitasin natin yung mga stick glue. So, yan. See? Easy. So, yung last na material, try natin maghanap kung meron. So, oh my God, ayun.
Oh my God! Wow!
dapat hindi sila matakot. Ayun last na material. Straw.
Glue gun, glue sticks, screwdriver, scissors or knife, 3 plastic bottles, straws, colored tape, candle, and match. Glue 2 caps together. Heat up the screwdriver using a candle or a stove if the heat is not enough. These are additional materials because it is up to you what you will use. Poke 2 holes through the 2 glued caps. Make sure there's a space between the holes. The holes must be the size of the straw. Take the 3rd cap and do the same. Next, take your straws and label them. This is optional as well. It is just for distinction. Then make a hole at the bottom of 1 bottle. You can use a drill, heated screwdriver, knife, or a pair of scissors. Make sure the caps can be glued on top of it, but the straws can still pass through the holes. Place the 2 glued caps in 1 bottle, but not the one with the hole. Cut the end of a straw lengthwise so you can add another straw. The number of straws to be connected depends on the size of the bottles. Glue the connection site properly so there won't be any leakage later. Place the connected straw in the bottle structure. Make sure it is about an inch from the bottle. Secure the bottle with glue stick and let it dry. Make sure it is straight. When putting the glue, make sure that the bottles can still be closed with the cap. Do not put excessive glue. Remove the cap with the straw and place another straw with a different label. Place the cap back and adjust the second straw so that its bottom sticks out about half an inch towards the bottle. Secure the second straw with glue stick. Make sure it is straight. Cut crosswise about half an inch at the exposed end of the second straw. Remove the cap and secure the other side of the cap. Securing is very important to avoid leakages. Place the cap back and take another bottle, this one with the hole. Place it in the other end of the straws. When the second bottle is placed, there must be an allowance between the second straw and the bottom of the bottle. Take the last cap and thread it through the first straw, with its bottom facing upwards. After threading it, it must cover the hole. Once the second bottle and the cap is placed, cut the first straw crosswise. The straw must still stick out of the second bottle, but it must not exceed the height of the cap. Remove the cap once more and put the last straw in it. Put back the cap. Then, permanently glue the cap in the bottle with the second and third straw poking through the hole. Measure the third straw's placement. There must be 1 inch space between it and the top of the bottle, or the edge of the bottle. Then, fix the 2 straws with glue stick. Make sure to not cover the short one. These steps are crucial. The cap and the straw must be glued so tightly that there must be no spaces that are not covered. This is to avoid leakages. Next, cut the last bottle crosswise so that only the top part is left. With the cut's measurement, the only reminder is a little bit of the third straw must go over it. Screw the newly cut bottle to the structure, and you're done! It's time to test the fountain. First, the bottle must be primed. Pour some water on the top. The water should go directly down the last bottle and fill it up. After filling it up, flip the bottle so that the middle bottle is filled up. Don't worry if not all the water from the bottom bottle is not transferred. It is normal that there is water left. Then, pour some water at the top again to test it. By this time, you can already see the fountain. To reset, pour the water from the top bottle. Flip the bottle once more so that the water from the last bottle will flow in the middle bottle. Remove the bottom bottle and pour the remaining water out. Pour some water at the top again. This should reset the fountain.
Welcome to the post-laboratory part of our vlog. First is I will explain to you how the fountain technically works. So, when we put water into the middle bottle, we pour more into the top bottle, and the water goes through the red straw, down into the bottom bottle, and displaces the air in this bottle through the yellow straw into the middle bottle. Then, the pressure in the middle bottle increases, thus pushing the water up through the blue straw, resulting into a fountain in which it continues until the water level in the bottom bottle reaches the yellow straw, or the water level in the middle bottle falls below the blue straw. Second, I will explain how capillary action is related to this experiment. Capillary action is the water's ability to flow against gravity through narrow spaces such as thin tubes, and is the outcome of 2 opposing forces, cohesion and adhesion. In this case, the water rises up through the blue straw caused by capillary action together with the pressure inside the bottles.
Again, this is Denver Pascuala.
Rizel, Giselle, Pasco.
Cedric Cabral.
Ria